Welcome to Wild About Art channel. My name is Sana and I will be sharing my art passion with you. In this first video, I will share Romero Britto and his journey of pop art style. His visually striking work of art brings such a joy and hope to the world. His use of cubism, pop art and graffiti painting is so unique and captivating. His vibrant colors and bold pattern truly capture the spirit of optimism, dreams, and happiness. It's no wonder why he has gained such acclaim and recognition throughout the world. In today's lesson, I will be using some markers, watercolor, and watercolor paper, but you can use anything you have, any medium, any material you already have at home. This lesson is suitable for mommy and me while you are creating art together, or if you are a teacher and looking for some art lessons inspired by Romero Britto. Through this video, I will be sharing a very quick time lapse in which you can easily pause and replay again to follow the steps. The first lesson I'm sharing is how to draw people. First is the boy and then we will be doing portrait of girls. In these steps, I will be adding some music so you can relax, enjoy the music and follow the steps. So this is the last lesson of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.